so this is a pretty good one. What we're gonna do is just kind of walk randomly, and we're just gonna see how many foreigners we see. Let's go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. And we'll just count them and we'll just see. So I don't see any at the moment, of course, because this game, we're just starting this game and we're gonna see how many we can see within a 5-minute period. So here we see none, but granted, if we go to certain areas, we can definitely see more. I don't think we're gonna see any there, so we're gonna cross the street. We'll see how many we can find in a 5-minute period. So far we don't see any yet. We're gonna run across. So we're gonna try to see if we can see. I think there's one in front of us. Is it Chinese or? We'll see. I don't think I see any foreigner, but if we do, questionable, right? Maybe, but I think it just has hair that looks like it could be a foreigner, but it's not. So we have still a little bit of time. People are coming up on the other side, so we can see if we see a foreigner within our 5-minute time period. And so far we don't have any, and we're stuck here. We'll look around. I think over there, there's along the wall, those are mostly Filipino. Now we can go across. So we're gonna spot a European-ish or Portuguese foreigner. So far, we're just gonna keep walking. So we're gonna go this way. Sometimes these buildings, there's some nice buildings down here where sometimes we might see a foreigner. So we're gonna just see if we can come across any. So far, none here. None here. How many minutes do we have left? Almost, right? Still none. So we're still looking. We got some pretty cool buildings though. How about these two guys? They look like they could be Macanese. Get a little bit closer. Some people trying to catch this bus. These are our guys that look like could have been, but no. Speaking Chinese, I thought they might. One of them looked like he could be Japanese, but we're gonna keep on walking and seeing. So far, what are we at now? We're at 2 minutes and 20 seconds into this, and we still have another 2.5 minutes to try to find a foreigner. There's one here. We don't see any other ones. So we're gonna keep on walking, and we'll show you some of the buildings around here too. So I think I filmed in here the other day. I sat in this park right over here and filmed. So I showed some of the buildings up around. So if you're a somewhat regular viewer, you might have seen some of that. Let's keep on walking. That was maybe a foreigner. It's hard to tell with a mask. Okay, we're gonna keep on walking. What do we got? We're at 3 minutes. Got a minute and a half. Nope. So far, nope. Sometimes some of these buildings, show you some of the buildings around. So okay, so far, let me see, this one is a dessert. This guy is parking. So okay, we're still looking. Just for reference, we have some nice, let's see, shopping. It's kind of a cool spot. So if you notice, I don't want to stop. But there's 2 people from back there from Portugal. So there we go. There's 2. And how many minutes we got left? This guy's been parking stuff. We're at 4 minutes and 15 seconds, so we still have a little bit of time to see if we can spot some more. So we saw 2 Portuguese in that restaurant. There we go. That was number 3. She was from Portugal. Looked like she was Portuguese anyways. So there's 3 that we've spotted in the 5 minutes. Let's see if we can find some more. So far we're almost at 5 minute mark and we spotted 3. So that's actually not bad, right? And I think we're gonna try to just go into this park. Maybe we'll just keep going. Let's see if we can do it out of a 6 minute period. We'll just see how we do. So, okay. Let's see if we see anybody over there. I don't see any over there. And let's see over here. So we're just gonna keep over here. I think if we check the park out over there, let's see if we can see up here. That might be it for our 5 minute game. I don't see anybody there. I don't see anybody there. And right now we are at 5 minutes and 30 seconds. So that's the game. Maybe we'll just see if we can see any, maybe. Oh, those are Filipino. If we see any other ones. I think that's it. So maybe we'll end the game right there. Maybe we'll just continue the game just a little bit further. I think what we're gonna do is just walk up a little bit more. And we'll just maybe try a 7 minute mark. And we'll go up to this other area. And we'll just see if we see any other ones. Nope. Okay. So we're gonna end the game. Right there. And the game might be more interesting if we did a how many Filipino can we find in a 5 minute period. Let's just see. We did see at least 5, 6, 7 maybe. Maybe we'll do the same game and we'll try to see if we can. Okay, let me just see. You can see us coming around the corner. Okay, I think that'll be the end of our game. The race car going by. Okay, it's the end of our game. So we'll finish there. Toma cuidado la porfía.